create a REST web service, your project must contain a Java class and a Java input-output type. Configure a project by uploading a Blaze Advisor project containing a Pojo Java object model exported to upload to Decision Modeler, uploading a jar file containing a Java object model to the Decision Modeler component and configure one of the classes as your input and output type. For a successful web service deployment, ensure that all Java classes are in a package. After the configuration process is complete, you can view the REST web service endpoints in the View Links and Client ID dialog. Click the View Links and Client ID icon on the Projects page toolbar. Projects with a Java BOM generate a SOAP link to the WSDL, as well as REST links for each entry point specified during the configuration process. Use the Client ID tab to access the Client ID in secret when you need to obtain the bearer token to send a request to a web service. There is a REST endpoint for each entry point specified in the configuration. One of the REST endpoints includes a link to the swagger.json that you can use to see the schema. You launch a browser and point to the editor.swagger.io. If necessary, open a new editor session. Paste the endpoint URL and view the schema. You can test the REST web service endpoints in the development, staging, or production environments by using SOAP UI 5.3. To call a web service in the SOAP UI, you need to obtain a bearer token. You can get a bearer token by passing the client ID and secret using a REST client extension for your browser. Only POST methods are supported for REST service requests. For more information, see the SOAP UI video. Click the View Solutions button to open a tab for the Decision Management Platform and create a batch job for your web service. Note that you can use the Decision Modeler tab to toggle back and forth between the two environments. To run a batch job in a given environment, you need to ensure that all reference components have the same status. For development, you need to configure your project component. For staging, ensure that all reference components are submitted. For production, ensure that all reference components are published. The data for your batch job can be any of the following supported file types: CSV, JSON, or XML. If you need to pass data in an array, you need to use a JSON or XML file. For more information, see the Decision Modeler and Decision Management Platform documentation.